Why cloud certifications matter.
Cloud computing powers much of today's technology, from apps to websites and big data. Having a basic cloud certification can help you break into tech jobs, show employers your skills, and boost your resume. Entry-level certifications are designed for beginners and don't require prior cloud experience, making them an ideal starting point for your career journey.
AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner.
The AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner is a popular certification for beginners. Offered by Amazon Web Services, it covers the basics of cloud concepts, security, technology, and pricing. No technical background is required. This certification is valued by employers and helps you understand essential cloud principles that apply across many businesses.
Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, Arizona 900.
The Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals is perfect for those interested in Microsoft's cloud platform. The AZ 900 exam covers cloud concepts, core Azure services, security, privacy, and Azure pricing. It's designed for those new to the field and is a stepping stone toward more specialized Azure certifications.
Google Cloud Digital Leader.
The Google Cloud Digital Leader certification introduces you to the basics of Google Cloud. This newcomer-friendly exam tests your understanding of cloud concepts, Google Cloud products, and the impact of cloud technology. It's ideal for those looking to work with Google's ecosystem or wanting broad foundational knowledge.
Choosing the right cloud certification.
Consider your goals, interests, and potential employers. If you want to work at companies using Amazon, AWS is a great start. For Microsoft-heavy environments, Azure is best. If you prefer innovative or data-driven companies, Google Cloud might suit you. All three certs offer strong foundational skills to kickstart your cloud career.